Ritani amwana ritingwebo University ya Chuka na Kinyameru ni pawatanite na bangi ndigurune weka madagayo yangu ndi bakiwa thirikari nirete buruko bathikira ritingwebo University ya Chuka barani ya memba ba waso kuso na kudeya na bune ndini bawetete urungamiri University ya thirikari batikwenda gutamburukia wetekaniria buraboka baguna bonde ndi bakiwa batichoka ngwene mwanka kirokyo kidira kithikira wa Samuel Geshima na kulikidia
Arutiwira bababa University ya Chuka baranake mabia uasu kusu na kuthea baigite into biago bya kurutawira nthi barungana bagechwa kuiwika ithirikari nene amwe na urugamiri bwa university no nuntu wa manto maraba kugati batigitwe bakingirwa kuma mwanka wa 2017 bariuga ibabateri ukaranthi na thirikari kenda baraniria mpongeria muchara kuma mwanka oju mwanka wa 2021 na CBA yenge ya kuma mwanka wa 2021 mwanka wa 2025.
Tulikuwa tumepatia serikali notice ya siku 7, leo imepita na tumetoka. Tuliwapatia proposal 2020, tukaenda kotini, tukaenda conciliation na bado wametupatia 0% increment of salary. Public sector workers wote wengine wamepatiwa at least 7% to 10%.
Waliongeza wengine mishahara, wakasahau sisi tunafanya kazi kama wale wengine.
We are here to say that we have been suffering in silence. We've been very patient, but every human being runs out of patience.
Nkuruki ibakola la mekira wagibo insurance ya ugima kiri arutiwera bonde ba university no.
Chuka University, what we have is not a medical scheme. The employees want a comprehensive medical scheme.
Ya kwamba hautakuwa effective kama employee kama hauna medical yenye iko katika mtengo waziwazi. We are reminding the employer together with the government ya kwamba sisi kama wafanyikazi wa serikali tunataka a comprehensive medical scheme.
A lecturer or a worker in Chuka is paid mileage at a different rate compared to one in Nairobi, compared to one in KU, and there are so many differences. So the CBA is meant to harmonize that so that we are all paid equally because of in the spirit of equal work for equal pay.
Bariuga kiri mutaratara wa imbia wa thirikari utetheria aritoba University kurea bichi anabago barikirwa kiwango kia barabatari na theinanwa iriku wariraba kurea kinyamara kia wajibu michara nkukiba kimenagiria mutaratara uju nuntoba wotweka thirikari yugite wakira University ekarea arutiwira kuringana na ambia iraba kwetherania kumani na bichi tukiaraniria na urugamiri bwa University no ya Chuka bariuga barari mwambirioni wa mutaratara kwa arutiwira baba insurance ya ugima nkurukiba kiengagiria malalamiko mamu mange mabia mabibi kere thirikari nene. Mururungano wa muthemba wa tojo nuonekanite kinya kaunti ya Meru na arutiwira ba Meru University of Science and Technology barakinya boba gwitia mbitiganirio ya arutiwira ya mwanka wa 2017 mwanka wa 2021 na ya mwanka wa 2021 mwanka wa 2025 onto bobo bothiete mbere ndeni ya kiginagina kia university no ntere chia nchiru gichigo bunge gatigania West.
We are out here to join our national leaders and other universities across the country to strike over the failure by government to negotiate with us the CBA 2021-2025 and implement fully 2017-2021.
Promotions, late remittance of deductions, and yes, that is the possibility.
Arutiwira bagutetheria na boba kiendaga gwitithirwa ngati kurabata onete kwa mianka 14 mithiru amwe na kurirwa mbia iregita omicharani ya gota NSSF.
We are asking you, Council Chair, to make sure that Meru University continues to remit the statutory deductions to the relevant bodies. You're being addressed to make sure that workers receive their salaries in time.
We can barely survive. And when we don't survive, when we are tired, we are not able to teach our students.
Tunasema ni lazima hayo mambo mawili yatimizwe. Yasipotimizwa, wembe ni huu wenye mnaona saa hii. We shall be here on the gate until what we demand is fully done.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kuma University ya Chuka, Mbeta wa Samuel Geshima.